Hix Equipment has been a world leader in the design, manufacture, and distribution of equipment for heat-applied graphics, screen printing, and industrial ovens since 1963. The quality of our designs, the diversity and reliability of our products, and the care of our customer service will make you a Hix client for life. Hix Equipment, it's how you decorate. The Hix process starts with design and development. Our team of fully certified electrical and mechanical engineers put their collective creative and scientific minds together to create industry-leading designs on cutting-edge 3D mechanical design software. After the design phase, Hix Equipment is ready to go into production. Our 110,000 square foot facility includes all aspects of industry services. All Hix products are manufactured in the USA at our headquarters in Pittsburgh, Kansas. And from here, we can deliver our top quality products anywhere in the world. Our line of heat press equipment is diverse. With over 20 models of products, Hix is the clear leader in the heat press industry. Hix offers a complete product line of screen printing equipment, including retentionable frames, screen printing presses, screen dryers, ovens, and accessories. Through the quality and reliability of Hix screen printing solutions, we have become the industry leader in screen printing technology. Direct-to-garment printing is becoming more and more popular. You can quickly and efficiently cure direct-to-garment inks with our heat presses, conveyor ovens, or the space-saving Verticure dryer, which can accommodate virtually any floor plan. These Verticure dryers come in single-drawer, two-drawer, two-drawer auto-open, and four-drawer configurations. In addition to the quality of Hix equipment, many of our products are certified green. Using 43% less electricity and putting off less heat, our green products are great for the environment and will lower your energy bills.
Thank you for watching. For more information, please contact us today.